United States Navy has once again attracted the attention of the military world after conducting a series of firing tests of the Mark 38 25mm machine gun system on its next-generation aircraft carrier. These tests were conducted in Atlantic and Caribbean waters as part of an evaluation of the combat readiness of modern warships to face close-in surface threats. The tests aimed to assess the Mark 38's ability to respond to rapid attacks from small enemy vessels, surface drones, and asymmetric threats increasingly common in conflict zones. The tests also served as part of a multi-layered defense simulation on an aircraft carrier, where the Mark 38 serves as the frontline defense system. The Mark 38 is a 25mm automatic machine gun, developed by BAE Systems and the Naval Surface Warfare Center. It is equipped with an M242 Bushmaster chain gun, capable of firing up to 200 rounds per minute, making it one of the most lethal close-in defense systems at sea. The Mark 38's advantage lies in its ability to fire with high precision, even against fast-moving targets in rough seas. In a recent test, the system was able to destroy a simulated unmanned boat in just seconds, demonstrating its remarkable reaction speed. Unlike previous manual weapon systems, the Mark 38 can now be operated entirely from within the ship's protected cabin. Through the remote-operated gun system, the operator can control the direction of fire, elevation angle, and ammunition type without being on the open deck. A system of electro-optical sensors, thermal cameras, and laser rangefinders allows for target lock-on, day and night in all weather conditions. This technology not only improves firing accuracy, but also protects the crew from the risk of direct exposure during combat. In the exercise, held in the Caribbean Sea, the U.S. Navy's newest aircraft carrier, believed to be the USS Gerald R, Ford CVN 78 class, was used as the primary testing platform. Video footage showed a barrage of 25mm rounds raining down on a fast-moving naval target, while the ship's crew monitored the results through a sophisticated camera system. Pentagon officials described the test as part of the fleet's increased readiness to counter a new generation of threats, including armed maritime drones and unmanned fast boats now being deployed by several countries in the Gulf and Black Sea regions. Since its introduction in 1986, the Mark 38 system has undergone several major upgrades. The Mod 2 and Mod 3 variants featured full remote control, an automatic tracking system, and a high-resolution thermal camera. However, the most significant development came with the Mark 38 Mod 4, the latest version that replaced the M242 gun with the Mk44 Bushmaster 230mm. This variant provided greater firepower, extended range, and supported airburst munitions to destroy drones or light boats before they reached the ship. With these upgrades, the Mark 38 now serves not only as a close-in defense weapon, but also provides intermediate protection against low-altitude air threats and small high-speed maritime targets. In modern naval warfare doctrine, aircraft carriers require multiple layers of defense, from long-range missiles and close-in weapon systems, CIWS, to automatic weapons like the Mark 38. The Mark 38 is a crucial component because it fills the gap between long-range missile systems and conventional manual guns. Its speed in identifying and destroying targets makes it the last line of defense before threats reach the flagship. Defense analysts refer to this system as the last line of defense, capable of acting independently or integrated with the ship's radar and combat systems. This integration allows the Mark 38 to respond to threats in real-time coordination with other defense systems. The weapons tests on this new aircraft carrier also have a strategic dimension. By demonstrating the Mark 38's upgraded capabilities, the United States is sending a strong signal of its military readiness to confront maritime threats in strategic global regions. The exercises coincide with rising tensions in several key maritime regions, including the South China Sea, the Black Sea, and the Caribbean, where the presence of American fleets is often closely monitored by other nations. The Mark 38 25mm machine gun system is now more than just a defensive addition to a warship, but part of a larger maritime strategy, one that emphasizes speed, precision, and crew safety. With its continuously updated technology and integration on the newest aircraft carriers, this weapon marks a major step forward in the United States' maritime defenses against future threats. Defense officials emphasize that this test is just the beginning of a comprehensive modernization process across the U.S. Navy. The Mark 38 is not just a weapon, said a senior officer, but a symbol of our readiness to maintain freedom of navigation around the world.